ituturo ko sa inyong tricks, tips kung paano maging Pilipino, yung accessibility menu at yung talkback ninyo. So go to settings, then accessibility, then text to speech output. So tignan nyo, Pilipino yan i-play ko
Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
So pwede kayo maniwala, mamili ng ayan daming language. So yan. So para to sa mga ito, halimbawa ito.
Language: Filipino, Philippines.
O di ba?
Back.
Ay wait lang. Pinlay pala to. So turn on natin yung talkback.
Talkback on.
Yan.
Back. Home. Quick step. Calendar. Home. Back. Home. Quick. Home. Editing. Search for apps or content. Edit box.
Diba?
Ayun. Keyboard hid. Home. Editing. Search for apps or content. Edit box. Ipinapakita ang Filipino, Latin, QWERTY, ENYE, keyboard. Quick step.
Diba?
Recorder. Keyboard hidden. Cap. Home. Double tap to activate.
So yan guys.
Quick step. Editing. Search for apps or content. Edit box.
Napipindot ko dito
Settings. Apps list. Keyboard hit. What? Double tap. Hey.
So ayan. Wait lang.
Accounts. Back. Setting. Privacy. Battery. Accessibility.
So yan, ganyan.
Double. Select the talkback on. Text to speech out.
So ganun lang yan kadali.
Play.
Play.
Isa play. Button. Reset. Play. Play. Back. Accessibility. Double text 15%. Speech rate. Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
So yan.
Accessibility. Select to speak. Double tap on. Shortcut settings. Switch. Back. Accessibility. Talkback. Use stop talk. Stop button. Double tap to activate. Talkback off.
'Di ba guys? So Pilipino siya, 'di ba? Kaso nga lang syempre wala tong translator. Pero hindi na kailangan ng ganun dahil Pilipino naman siya. So kapag kailangan English yung babasahin, siya na magbabasa nun, di ba? So ganun galawit yung So wait lang. Ayun yung mga lingwahe. Loko ko na napipindot natin. So ang dami So halimbawa ito lang, try natin.
Wyjaśnienia szembu I synteza sata foluidności.
So pero wag natin yung nasa na yung Pilipino, wait lang. So wait lang, tinatamad tayo maghanap.
Albanian, Albania. Arabic. Asamese, India. Bangla, Bangladesh.
So ayan, nakikita ninyo. Kaso
Bangla, India. Bodo, India. Bosnian, Bosnia de Herzegovina. Bulgarian, Bulgaria.
So nasan yung Pilipino? Wait lang guys Hindi ko kasi nambabasa agad
Vietnamese, Vietnam. Batsk. Welsh United Kingdom.
So kailangan Use
system language. Albanian, Albania. Arabic. Asamese, India. Bangla, Bangladesh. Bangla, India. Bodo, India. Bosnian, Bosnia de Herzegovina. Bulgarian, Bulgaria.
Yan.
Cantonese, Hong Kong. Catalan, Spain. China. China. Taiwan. Croatian, Croatia. Catalan, Spain.
Yan.
China. Taiwan. Croatian, Croatia. Czechia. Danish, Denmark. Dogri, India. Dutch, Netherlands. English, Australia. English, India. English, Nigeria. English, Nigeria. English, United Kingdom. English, United States.
So, United States yan.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. Speech rate, pitch.
So, yan, English, di ba? So, ang tanong ngayon, paano natin mahanap yung Pilipino? So, kanina kasi Pilipino yun. So, pinalitan ko. So, wait lang. I-turn on ko tong talkback uli.
Talkback on. Talkback. Back. Accessibility. Text. Text to speech. Language. Double tap to Estonian, Estonia. Filipino, Philippines.
Yan.
Language. Speech rate.
Diba?
Back. Access.
So, ganun lang siya.
Select. Talkback. Talkback. Use stop talkback. Stop.
To cancel.
Cancel. Talkback off.
So, yun. So, siguro dito ko muna tatapusin yung video. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung title. Kung halimbawa, may nag-search na mga totally or mga kahit anong may kapansanan dyan. Kung may nag-search kung paano gawing Pilipino yung talkback nila. So, katunayan yan, yung iba kasi hindi gumagana yung hindi available yung Pilipino.